What is happening, YouTube? Today we are looking at a product a lot of you have requested, and that is none other than Microsoft's Surface Headphones 2. That's right, they just recently released and they pack a lot of cool features, and we're gonna find out what those are. Stay tuned for an unboxing and a first impressions video right here. As always, a reminder, if you enjoy what you see on my channel, consider subscribing to my channel. It helps me grow, keeps me motivated to provide more future quality content just like this. Let's get started. The Surface Headphones 2 are priced at $250 USD. Up north in Igloo Land, that translates to exactly $350 here in Canada. Now that is a big asking price, but keep in mind these are Microsoft's high-end premium over-ear headphones, and they are still cheaper than Sony's WH-1000 series, which costs exactly $450 up here in Canada. There they are. So like I said, this is a genuine unboxing. I have not opened these, and they are factory sealed. You can see the wrapping is still on them. We're gonna find out what's inside these. So let's get started. Okay, so you've got your labeling on the front, and on the back you can see it has a Windows compatible thing. You've got Microsoft's perfect balance of sound and silence, and just some other essential stuff. Rechargeable ion battery. So let's get started. Okay, let's open these bad boys. Let's do this. Do these just slide out like they do? Oh my goodness, look at that gorgeous case. It is a case, right? Yep. Look at that. You've got that Microsoft branding right there, and it's a soft cloth textured case. It's got a teardrop design, very Surface-like if you know Surface Book 3. And let's see what else we have in here. A booklet, I presume. I think you've got your standard instructions in here, and probably the warning and all the limited warranty and all that cool stuff. Is there anything else in the box? Nope. The rest of it is just a paperback design. So let's get this out of the way. Okay, so let's open up this case. Get to the good stuff. Here we go. I have to say, I don't know why a lot of people prefer these in black. I personally really like the gray design. I think it has a very nice minimalistic look you don't actually get in this black version. I mean, the black version looks nice and all, but this, come on. I mean, this gray has something about it. They're pretty light for what they are, actually. Also, wow, they glide over really smoothly. Yeah, so these are the headphones. It seems like you've got a warning label, which will probably just come right off. There you go. And that's the top design. Now we'll come back to these in just a second. Let's see what else comes with it. So you've got a booklet right here, and I think this is your instruction manual. Essentially, it's a quick tutorial on all the buttons. This will come in handy when we check out the headphones in just a second. You've got a USB-C to USB-A cable, probably the charging cable, and they've included a audio jack cable, so that's good. Yeah, and that's everything you get inside the case. Nice to see you have this little pouch right here you can keep your cables in. Cool design. I'm loving the minimalistic look. Let's check out the headphones. So coming back to the headphones themselves, like I said, they have a super smooth design. Let's take off these pads right here. There you go, easy peasy. Look at that, it's really soft padding. This should be comfortable for the ears. On this side you have a USB-C cable, like I said, probably for charging. You have the headphone jack entry point, which you can connect to other jacks. Also you have what seems to be a battery indicator. Let me come back to this button and see exactly what it does. And then you have your power button, which also serves as the pairing button as per the instructions. So let's set these up and see how they look overall. So I'm just quickly pairing the headphones, Surface headphones right here, and it's pairing up. You actually get an audio voice that tells you that you're connected, and it guides you on how to connect. And I'll show you the headphones in just a second. Now that we're all paired up, let's try these bad boys on. So, right, power button. Okay, let's do this. So the power button is, nice. The voice tells me the battery life, so it's telling me I have 12 hours left, and it's telling me that it's connected to my iPhone. It's pretty nice to see, and the noise cancellation seems to be on to some degree. So if I'm talking too loudly, it's probably because I can't hear my own voice too well. So let's go. Let's put on a song over here and see how it sounds. So we'll put on something by J. Cole over here. Power Trip. Wow, that vocal clarity. Let's try putting up the volume a little. Oh wow, yeah, definitely. That's the noise cancellation right there. So it seems you can adjust that. And this is the audio. Very nice. So one thing you'll notice pretty quickly is that these are touch sensitive headphones. So either side of these pods are actually touch sensitive. So for example, if I want to play my song, I tap it, it plays. Double tap it, it changes the song. And you have all your standard controls like that, and then you can do that. Additionally, this side controls the noise cancellation. So this is ambience mode, and the more you go in the other direction, the more intense the noise cancellation gets. It seems to be pretty good. I mean, at one point I can't hear anything at all, and the seal is really comfortable as well. My ears do get a little hot because of that seal, but that's expected with over-ear headphones, and I'm not surprised, to be honest. But they're very comfy, and they're also very light. Like, I have to say, compared to some competitors, these headphones may be made of all plastic, but because of that weight is really nice. It doesn't put strain on my neck, and I feel like if I had these on for long periods of time, that would be a big plus for me. Also, I like how flexible they are, so they're not gonna break easily. They're pretty, flexible but rigid at the same time. And I think it's a good design overall. So a few other quick things noted about the headphones. You'll notice that I mentioned there was a button right here, and this button is actually the mute button for the mic. So you can actually mute the mic straight from the device. You don't have to go onto the software of your operating system on your phone or do any of that. And that's a nice little touch on Microsoft. It shows they put a lot of thought into these. Also, there is a soft padding on the top, so your head never feels like the plastic is pushing against it. And I think that's, once again, a good design choice from Microsoft. And then you have your Microsoft branding, right and left ears from the inside, so you know which direction these go in. Overall, this is probably one of my favorite designs. I'm loving it, and honestly, don't take criticism of other YouTubers that say that this is a cheap plastic design. Really, it's not. Like, it's not. Yes, it's plastic, and no, there's not a lot of metal, if any at all, on here, or any sort of aluminum or anything like that, but that's not a bad thing. It has a premium feel to it, and that plastic helps with the weight management a lot, and I think that's a big plus. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing as well as the first impressions. I will be doing a full review on these bad boys once I've had a chance to play with them and properly test them in the coming weeks, so stay tuned for that. In the meantime, I am reviewing plenty of other tech products, including in my next video, the Pixel Buds, so stay tuned for that if you're interested, and we'll go through all that cool stuff. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Until next time, Soul of Tech, logging out.